Hi friends, continuing with our series of videos on idiomatic expressions. I know it's kind of never ending because there are so many terms and there are so many idioms, and it's very difficult to contain it in one video or just few videos. So that's why this series of videos, and very hopefully it's gonna help you a lot to express clearly, to articulate your thoughts, and also get very good score in IELTS speaking section. So continuing with it, today's video is on the term annoying. There are 5 idioms which you can use instead of annoying. The first one is a pain in the neck. A pain in the neck. The second one is a pain in the proverbial. A pain in the proverbial. The third one is a pain in the backside. Something which is very annoying, you can say it's a pain in the backside. Next one is a thorn in one's flesh. A thorn in one's flesh. And the fifth one is a burr under one's saddle. A burr under one's saddle. I hope you learn a lot from this video. Thank you so much. It really helps you. Please remember, the key to success is practice.